Welcome to the channel, my name is Peter. Welcome to part 2. Today we will discuss again why do we need to use trading indicators. How can they help us with our achievement of financial goals? Okay, so here we are, we have a US30 index. And this was actually yesterday, 13th of October. We are on 1 hour time frame. Can you tell me, we are here right now, would you go long or would you go short? By looking at this chart right now, what would you do? Yes, so you have a choice. You see, from here, you can go like this, or you have also a choice, we're going to go like this. And the big question is, which direction are we going to go? Are we going to open a long position or a short position? Okay, let's stand aside for just a moment and let's have a look around what's going on this chart. First of all, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. And if you join my course or you join my Discord, you are aware what is happening at 4 o'clock UK time on US30. What is happening? Well, let me explain to you if you are not aware what is happening. At 4 p.m. between 4 and 5 UK time, we have a US30 reversal. Okay, it's not every day, but it is almost every day. Well, sometimes it looks like it's every day. Sometimes we can get it once a week, twice a week, but recently we just had it constantly, constantly. Okay, 4 times a week, yes, 4 times a week, that's enough. So, yeah, so you have this information now that you did not have before. So we are getting somewhere. Let's go back to the chart. So we know it's 4 o'clock. So we know that possibly, we could be reversing up just because it's 4 o'clock. And 4 o'clock in UK, 4 o'clock PM, that is exactly 11 o'clock AM in US, okay? So if you're from the US, now you know. At 11 AM, there's a very big likelihood of having a reversal up. So in that case, now you are with some additional information here, and you would say, yes, it's possible we're going to go up. However, you still have some concerns. You're not sure what to do because this is not enough for you, okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to add some indicators just to have a more clear picture of what could happen. Let me just double click on this. So here we go. So we have here volume delta indicator and also TSV. At the moment, well, they're just showing that the volume is decreasing. So by looking at this, we could be going down still. Yes, we still could be going down. Fair enough. Now let's add some more indicators. We're going to add now Magic Algo 1. So by looking at this, we still think we might be going down. The only thing that makes us think that we might be going up is because it is 4 o'clock. Because our strategy is based at around 4 p.m. UK time, 11 a.m. US time. So that's the only thing that's stopping us right now to actually place any bets. And let me just add one more indicator. Well, that's interesting. Look at this. This is a harmonic pattern scanner, and it shows us a bat. And we know that this is a bullish signal here, and it is very likely that at this moment we go up like this. So we are getting somewhere. However, we are very cautious and we will just wait. We will not place any orders at the moment. We know that this is very likely to go up now. However, this is showing that we might be going down. It's still decreasing. It's fine. Let's just have a look what's happening next. Now, here we go. And look at this. What's happening here? The volume is increasing. You see? This volume now becomes green. And that's a very good sign. Let me remove this one. That one as well. And look at this. This one here as well. This indicator, this is a TSV indicator. And this green dot is EMEA 8 crossing EMEA 21. So EMEA 8 crossing over EMEA 21. So that's another positive sign. This one is actually going up, and this one from red goes to green. So that's another positive sign. Let's mark our entry here. Let's see. Over here, we have a buy signal. We also have this green dot earlier on, and we have this EMEA cloud coming from red to green. So we are now very confident because we had this bad harmonic pattern here, which tells us that we might be reversing up. We had 4 o'clock UK time, 11 a.m. US time, potential reversal that took place. Yes, all according to the plan. We have all of this and all of this, and at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very convinced, and I'm going long right now. So we have all these confirmations, we have the volume, we have this TSV, we have harmonic pattern. What else do we need? We are going long right now. And let's just see, we are going to open a position around this area, and this buy signal was just to give us the final confirmation. And let's just have a look. This is on 1 hour time frame. We are still on 1 hour. Let's see what happened afterwards. So this is our entry here, over here, over here. Let's have a look. So look at this. From our very short entry from around this area, from here, we were able to profit 520 points in Dow Jones. And ladies and gentlemen, that is incredible. Just in one day, you would have profited, if you had this indicator, of course, you would be in profit by 523 points in US 30. And I don't need to explain to you what that means. If you are trading US 30, you very clearly understand what that means. So yes, I definitely think now that having the right indicators can be very beneficial. And I just showed you a small presentation to prove this. So thank you very much, and I hope you will sign up to my membership and you will receive these amazing indicators, and you will be making 500 points in profit at least once a week. Because to be honest with you, it doesn't happen every day that we have some kind of reversal like this with 500 points, but it happens in Dow Jones every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. And will you be there next time? I think you will. Thank you. Bye.